everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 14 of marching through my minis. If you are new, that just means I am bringing $8 a day every day in March to try to go through my stash of minis, and there's a lot. In February, I've done this since December 1st, every day. And February, we finished 59 challenges. And I don't know if we can beat that because that was a lot. But I am going to try. So I have $8 worth of prop coins. I bring $8 in cash. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And then, so it's an even swap of cash and prop coins. And then I go through all of my minis with the D3. Roll the die, whatever number it is. I put that many prop coins down. And each spot on the challenge represents 25 cents. So yeah, we're just working our way through our minis and having fun. So 5 is getting 1, and we just keep going through and until we're out of prop coins. 6 is getting 1. 7's getting 2. 8's getting 2, and then we go back to 1. 1's getting 3. 2 is getting 1. 3 is getting 2. 4 is getting 2. 1, 2, and 3. 5 is getting 3. Nice. 6 is getting 3. 7 is getting 1. 8 is getting 3. Very cool. We go back to 1. Just have a couple left. 1 for 1. 1 for 2, and I have 2 left. And they are both going to number 3, and then we are going to start at number 4. So we're just going to move the paper clip up a little bit. Perfect. So how are you doing? How's everything going? Or how's your savings going? If you are saving, if you're just hanging out and watching, I appreciate that too. All right, so 1 looks like it got $1. Oh, we just needed 50 cents. This one is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, and we finished this one for $4. So let's color these in. 25 and 50, and we put the prop coins there. Finished that one, and we have 50 cents. So let's go grab an extra. Just grab from the middle. This is from the Humble Budgeter, Capybara. So we're going to save $3. So I'm going to do 2 circles. He's lifting weights. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Let's do orange again. So all right, 50 cents starting this one off from the Humble Budgeter. Okay, and then number 2 got 50 cents. I believe this one is from Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. So we can do 2 more boxes. So 1 and 2 for 50 cents. And that will go in there. All right, number 3. Ooh, oh my goodness, number 3 still got 2 50s. Number 3 is like, I am showing up. Oh, we just needed 25 cents. So we finished this one from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. So we can cross off our last egg. This egg I just crossed off so we'd have an even number. So this saved us $6. And we have $1.50 we get to put into a new one. So let's do, I'm trying to like not look, but look. What's this one? Oh, hey K Budgets. Oh my God, if you've ever come to any of my lives, we usually end up talking about food, and somehow we always talk about pineapple on pizza. So apparently the pizza is like no, and the pineapple is like I love you. I do personally think pineapple can be on pizza because it's delicious, especially if you do a barbecue chicken pizza with pineapple. Oh my gosh, so good. All right, so we can do $1.25. So I might color these in. All right, so this super cute one saves a lot of money. It has $6, $7, $10, all that in there, but I'm making every spot 25 cents no matter what. So feel free to make a challenge, whatever you need to make it. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I hope people that watch that go to my lives are watching this, because how many times do we talk about this? Like a lot, a lot. All right, so that's number 3 with Hey Kate Budgets. And number 3 getting 50 cents. Okay, ooh, number 4 got 50 cents. So we have 75 going into 4. Oh, we didn't get $1 this time. This one is from Budget with Tiffany 26. So I'm going to color in 3 circles and I'll be right back. I almost kept going, but then I was like, no. All right, number 5. Okay, got 50. So we have $1.25 going into number 5. Number 5 is from DIY Budget on Etsy and Divas Budgeting on YouTube. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. So we only have 50 more cents, and then this one will save us $3. Okay. All right, number 6. Number 6 got $1. Oh, Tana from Prop Budgets with the popcorn. Okay, so we have 25, 50, 75, and $1. So 50 more cents, and this one will save 6. All right, 7 got 75 cents. Oh, we just needed 25. We finished the one from Maribel at Minto. So let me color in the last strawberry. So this one saved us $3. And we have 50 cents. We can put in a new one. So this is our extras. It's this one. Oh, another one from Neen's Budget. This one will save us a sweet little $1. I love it. So we have 50 cents going to that. So we have 25 and 50. And like I said, this is from Neen's Budget. I'll have everybody linked. Is that what I want to say? Listed. Everybody listed in the description. I don't even know. It's not that late, but it's later than I normally film, so I'm losing words. All right, so that was number 7. So number 8 is $1.25. And this one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. So let's get my orange. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. 25. 1, 2. Yeah. Uh-oh, did I do that right? I think I did that right. Editing Eva will have to pay attention. Pay attention, editing Eva. All right, so we finished a few. So now I like to go back to the front, put my prop coins away, do a little mix of the numbers, or of the cards, the numbers. I'm definitely tired. Okay, so we'll put that in there. Oh my goodness, squish. And if I didn't mention it in this video, all these dashboards and prop coins are from Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger. So let's see. I don't know why I took all the money out. All right, so we have 6 and 4 is 10 and 3. So we have $13 that we finished with 3 challenges. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. Put this back in our bank. And then I go to the back and I put my money in my completed envelope to be counted at the end of the month. And then I put my 3 completed minis slash tinies in the completed one. Yay. Oh my gosh, this is looking really good. I'm really happy with that. So thank you guys for hanging out with me again. I really, really appreciate your support and your motivation and your comments. Keep them coming. Love it so much. So I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.